This Trello Quickie video is about shortcuts. There are lots of shortcuts you can use in Trello. The way you know what they are is you just tap the question mark key on your keyboard and it'll pop up all keyboard shortcuts. I'm not going to read through them now because I'm going to talk to you about just 4 of them. Let me dismiss that. The 4 shortcuts that you can assign that I'm going to talk to you about are assigning a member, assigning a date, giving it a label, and those are all card specific, and then let me see all the cards that are assigned to me. So let's start by take the dog to a vet, and I'm going to give it a date. Now, from the front of the card with the pointer over a card, I can press the D on my keyboard and it'll bring up a date. And let's say I want to do that July 22nd at 5:55 p.m. I will save it. And now a date has been assigned. Okay, I have to assign this to someone. Hover over it again, and I'm going to this time tap M as in members. There's only one member of this board. I'm going to assign it to Jeff Cohen. And there it is. Finally, I'm going to assign a label to it with the shortcut. Hovering over the card, not clicking on it, but hovering over it, I'm going to tap the L key on the keyboard. Brings up labels, and this is high priority. Okay. Now, you see all this information is on the front of the card. Date, member, and the label. Let me click on the card to open it, and you'll see all those attributes are also showing here. Let me close that. Now I'm going to show you how you can add those attributes using the shortcuts from the back of the card. I'm going to open it. Same thing. I'm going to tap, let's do members, members first. M as in members, assign me. L for label, I'm going to choose high priority. And then dismiss that. And now I'm going to assign it a date. I don't want to do it on the 22nd. I want to do it on the 21st at 4:55 p.m. Save. And there it is. Now, let me close this. And you'll see you got high priority, high priority. Now, let's say, I told you there are 4 different shortcuts. I am going to tap the Q on my keyboard, and that's going to filter the list to show me just the things that are assigned to me. Q. There they are. 2 cards, and there they are. Now, since we're on the topic of shortcuts, I'm going to tell you about a couple other real shortcuts to the shortcuts. Take the gerbil to the vet. I'm going to open up the back of the card, same thing. And now I want to assign myself to this. Remember, I could do M as in members and choose one, but there's a shortcut for assigning yourself, and that is the space bar. And there it is. Labels, I can tap L or hit the label, tap L and choose high priority. But notice high priority is a 4th label, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can automatically add that by tapping the 4 on my numeric keyboard. As for dates, there is no shortcut to add a date other than D. And we'll make this be the 27th. Okay, I hope this helps.